If you have had a pet before, you can attest to the high costs which can quickly escalate depending upon any situation you could face. This article will explain the benefits of cheap cat insurance and how this can help combat those high costs. When you're looking at cheap cat insurance, this should not cost you more than a few dollars a day. This is not a very high cost when you look at veterinarian bills that sometimes can skyrocket into the thousands of dollars if there's an emergency situation. Any insurance plan will have yearly limits as far as how much can be spent. This can force you to be more aware of your cat's needs and taking it in for care regularly. Many people will find that if they pay for a service such as cheap cat insurance, they want to use that service. This may be a trigger to get the routine checkups that your pet will need to ensure good health. Many different health insurance plans can cover the regular visits to the veterinarian. This right here is a benefit that can easily pay for the premiums you would have to pay every month. Often visits without insurance could easily cost you $100 or more. Most times you're able to have the cost reduced with the insurance plan picking up 50% or more of the cost. When you look at any cheap cat insurance, it comes down to covering the expected versus the unexpected. You want to have a good feeling at the end of the day that your pet that you love so much will be provided for. Do you have an extra $1,000 if your cat walks across the street and is hit by a car? These simple tragedies can show you why it will benefit you to get cheap cat insurance. If you can sleep easier at night, that is a benefit that goes beyond a simple price. Think through the benefits that you'll receive from having cheap cat insurance. Some people may worry that they will never use the insurance, so why pay for something? The point of any insurance is to cover you in case something does happen. You do not want something to happen, but you just want the protection in case it does. That is the point of insurance and is the reason you want to protect your cat with cheap cat insurance.